Good morning to everyone. This is my second video for basic Excel. That means part 2 is basic Excel. I hope everyone is enjoy first video. And in first video, like we discuss about the basic level of and first videos to adjust basic level of the accounts to maintain from any company. Okay, any company or any organizations you can able to manage your informations. And now today we like to go for a second part. The second part, like there's a second menu. Again, quick recollect memory from the home we done for certain pre-plan options, like cut, copy, paste, and some font related things, table alignment, merging, and some highlighting the data to find out the greater than and less than and between. Many things we discuss about, some few basic that formulas, addition, subtractions, all those stuff, find and replace, short filters, ascending, descending, etc. This is we done for under home, and today we like to start second menu as a part 2 videos, insert. Okay, and insert means something we want to insert some data from outside into, within Excel sheet. Suppose we have to insert some picture. Even that pictures also we are taking from outside, and we can keep it in outside in the sense the local drives, like D drive at the same computer, local drive, maybe D drive, E drive, some through to pen drive, some pictures. Suppose if you want to make some invoice bills and proposal or quotation or anything else, you want to keep some company pictures, the company logo or at all. That logo, like how to insert and where you insert and where you placed and how look like the date pictures, all those stuff. Today we are going to learn from this part 2 videos. And let me click on insert. From here, so many features, so many are there. Today we are going to cover all the features. That's very interesting and a very basic level of the features. Now first we like to go for pivot tables, pivot table or pivot table. This is look like yesterday, last video what we discussed about normal table, we got rows and columns. And the pivot table, like it's not like normal table, something like pre-planned table, the ready-made table, pre-planned tables we have it. I'll focus it how look like we are going to use pivot table. Let me Before using pivot table, first you should make some details, some report you should make. Just I'm making it. I'll make small student mark sheet, I'm making it. And I'll make something. But if you have any already, we have some ready-made report, we can use the report also. Depend on you, like you can make it like that, and within 100 you can keep some values. And totals, if you want the formula, already know basic formula in Excel. You can see my previous video, you come to know like advanced, we learned 80 formulas. If you want to start with Excel formula, always start with equal and sum, and click on that range B2 and F2, close bracket, enter. We got the total. Now the scroll, it will come automatically. Again, average, the total divided 5, number of subjects 5. Like that we got small report. But now we want this report, we want to make pivot table, means just select it and pivot table, click it and pivot table. Look at here, the range come automatically, and whether you want to create a new worksheet or existing, but existing mean at the same sheet only till collapsed. That's we always you should make this a new worksheet. But default it will choosing new worksheet and click OK. It will bring new worksheet. And this pivot table, this sheet you can't write the formula, you can't do anything. Whatever document they have it, those document we can able to keep it here. Okay, now here four boxes we have it, like report filter, column, rows and values. Look at here, just I'm ticking, it will come directly automatic rows. Like you look at, you bringing everything automatically. Or if you want to keep it columns, or if you want filter means you can select it what time you want it, like that. But let me, I can focus on is row wise. Again marks, look at, it will come automatically the row wise first marks, it will come as the total. Like look at here, it will come everything total, overall total, say coming everything pre-planned. Okay, that is just there, like to make the pivot table, the colors, the structure, some drop down list, some formulas, everything's coming automatic. But suppose even the student name I want to make as a report filter. Report means suppose we are 10 student, but if you want to be only few students, like you got the report filter, I want only Kedana, click it, click OK. Look at, this is only Kedana details. I want Chinna details. Click on the Chinna. I got Chinna details. Like that. This is all the like. But if you go for in basic Excel, the in without pivot table, we should do manually everything. The filters and all this stuff like that. Here's some pre-planned everything available. According to that, you can able to make it. I hope you understood. Next, that is pivot tables like that one, and pivot chart. Click on the by same workout and click OK. It will come the new sheets, it will come the chat here. Now just click on the name, and we need some marks. Look at here, I click on the mark Chinna and Kedana for total. The student for total we have this much marks. Look at here, it will come everything. The graph, even the, as soon as you make the graph, if you color code, if you want, you can modify whatever things you want it, and based on that you can modify it your cases. Like okay, that also we called as pivot chart. And apart from so many chart they have it, let me discuss other menus. But here pivot chart is very important, but depend on the data your data, just play with these four boxes. How we are playing these four boxes, that you see if you have someone is there, but if you want more mean, click on the cursor value field. Look at here, so many, if you want count, maximum, minimum, product, so many other format will be there. There's a future classes we are learning that. Okay, now I'm going to open another sheet. Now there's a pivot table, pivot chart will be completed. Next table, that means if you want to insert some table, where you want to insert, highlight, then click insert table. My table has header, definitely we have the heading. Look at, it will come automatically. You can editable things if you want ID, name, codes, data join, address, city, and state and country. Like that, if you want, you can fill data, whatever data you want it. And as soon as you insert the pictures, you will get one more option as a design. Wait 1 minute. You got one more option as a designs. Say click it, it will come the design. Look at it here, so many varieties. I think first part one you can see, I'll thought for you detailing. Look at what color you want, you can fill it, you can work out it. That's as soon as you insert the picture only, it will come all the menus. Like otherwise, see, look at the click outside, you won't get the design tab. There's only table applicables. That's a table. I hope you understood. Next is a picture. That means we want to insert something, pictures, logo, or anything like our storyboard. And every storyboard are depend on that. But the Excel point of view, no one do the storyboard. Storyboard, if you want, they like to go for PowerPoint. I'm doing it that also, side by side I'm doing it. Excellent PowerPoint. Please, if anything, if you search from the Google Bala Sudhakar videos, you'll get everything like YouTube. So, I mean, if you want to search specific things, Excel video or PowerPoint video and Python video, something now I'm started. I going to post so many programming videos also very soon. And now the pictures already, if you have your local system, if you have some pictures, you are taking those pictures. Say click on the picture, it will come the screen like this, local drives. And here already I download some pictures, or if you not download, you can go for sample pictures. This pictures every system by default we have the pictures, every system. But I'd already downloaded. Now everybody knows how to download from the Google. I done download and click OK. I got this picture. As soon as you open the picture, it will come the some style, picture style, what kind of format you want it. And depend on that you can modify it. And where you want, you can move like this. How you want small you want, you can do it. If you want rotate, you can rotate to whatever you want it. Okay, that is the insert pictures. Suppose if you feel my system does not have any pictures, but I need the pictures. Even I don't have internet also. I don't have internet mean we can't getting from the Google also. But that time, that situation, we are taking from the clipart. Clipart means within Excel MS Office itself we have certain pictures available. There's cliparts look like cartoons or JPEG, many other pictures, it will come over here. Just click on the cliparts, it will get some dialog window. Let me, it will take it get load. Look at, you see the right side, we have that some pictures, like I'm searching something boy, girl, and office, flowers, animals, and lab items, whatever you want it. Okay, now I want to write it something pen. I want to take the pen pictures, click on the pen and search, you'll get so many pictures. Wait, see, so many. It's all the, like, what you want, you can search from there, you'll get it. Now I want this pictures, click on the scroll, insert it. Look at that, pictures get insert again. After insert we can change whatever style. So look at this, very nice, correct. This is I like so much. This I like it. Very interesting. Like, even if you want change the locations, even if you want increase or reduce like this, you can do it. That is a clip arts. I hope you are understanding. Anything whatever you want, you can search it. That's a clip art. Next, shapes. Shape means very important for all the students, engineering student, or everybody, any who's doing the students, even corporate. For us also, IT guy also, we need this shapes. Like normally, if we are weekends, mean every Friday they have some conducts meetings, and we should give this week target, and this week what are the project we are going to complete, and what kind of project we'll getting start good. We are going to get start everything. We are making some flow chart, step 1, step 2, step 3. That's everybody, this more important. Basically I'm telling now, this education point of view, this a training point of view, mean I tell something. Suppose some institution they have it, for example system domain, aptech, NAT, so many are there. And every institution, they make some advertisement to make the ad. Every salesperson, they standing every bus stop, they distribute the pamphlets. If you everything paragraph means they won't see. If you are given some any somebody else, they taking, and they won't stand, they won't wasting that time, correct, 10 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, like that, they won't stand. But some people, they have it read, they're really interested, the reading, they're getting information. But some people, they take and throw, like immediately, like. But that before, for making the paragraph or content, you can make some diagram, the flow chart, something from the diagram, like only 2 minutes enough, the guys. Okay, only 2 minutes enough. If they're taking the the diagram, that sheet like that, just 2 minutes they see that flow chart, they come to know what they tell about the flow chart, that tell about the storyboard or story like that. Suddenly they're reaching their mind. Okay, oh, this is so and so that ad, and that content they're going to give, and they're going to provide something. The 2 minutes, if they once they got the logic, later on they will analyze and do everything like. Otherwise, if you be off of doing the flow chart, the diagrams, you make some the paragraph or something like that. The paragraph means no one wasting the current situations like automation life. Nobody is wasting their time just taking and standing. They spend their timing and reading one by one paragraph. Like, but some one person people they have it. They're taking the ad and they'll taking their home, and when they're getting free time they read it like that. People they have, I'm not telling everyone, but or now every youngster like college people and college school people like that, they want wasting their time. But that purpose, as soon as open that, read something. The read, if once reading till 1 2 minutes is reaching their content. That purpose I like to go for that shapes. Now so many are there here. Now I'm showing some small things. Now I'm making this small box, and here you can choose what kind of colors you want. You can select the color, right click, edit text. Just I'm making as a right click, edit text. What's going on? Right click, edit text, system domains. And if you want something center like again home, you can make this like this. We can keep it. And next we like to go for insert shape, drawing some multiple things. I'll make some ASD system domain, what are the course they're offering. Again I change the color. Again right click, edit text, I make C programming. Again C program, we want centers, go to home, alignment like this. If you same, if you want again each and every time, go to insert and shape, drag and drop. We can do drag and drop it, otherwise copy paste, control C and control V. If you come everything, if you do like this, everything's coming as unique. Right click, edit text, C++, right click, edit, Java, and Pythons. Like that we did it like, but the alignment we do something later. Next I want to make some arrow marks, like how you want to do that arrow marks. Look at here, like that we have it. Again we picking it so many arrow marks, but it will do neatly, it will come different wise. Now it will change the direction. uh, just 1 minute. And now again insert shape, the wire. Just everyone just be online, I'll come back to you. Like this we can make more diagram based, like that we can do it. Okay, just a minute, I'll come back.